Hello guys, how are you all doing today? I believe you're all well. So far what we have learned is how to create different components. So we have created different components so far and we can use them and go to put different components in one page. So what I have done here, I'm trying to see that it's only one page so far. If I want to go to a different page, in HTML we usually use href, but in React there is a different way to do it. We call is a React router DOM. People use different ways, but that's one of the most good practice to use. So how it works, if you go to your terminal, just open it, and in terminal if you write npm I or install, then you press react REACT and you press enter. It should install the package for you. So that's there. Okay, it should be there. Perfect. So I've already installed it, but it should be installed 3-4 packages, and then it's gonna be all good to go. Let me drop it down. Sweet. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna create a new folder, and I'm gonna name it pages with only smaller a. Sweet. My fingers can't think, as always. Lovely. Let me create a home page.jsx, and I'm gonna create another one. Page. Sweet. So in about, I'm gonna create it here, RAFC. Sweet. So before I go forward, I did install a snippet before, which is from React E7. So it's from Das Zagner. Sorry if I pronounce the name wrong. So you can do that. It's pretty helpful. It does help me a lot. I will recommend you. Sweet. So here, instead of doing that, if I press RAFC, instead of me writing all those functions, I can press this, and it's going to create an arrow function here. And it's going to tell me what it is. I'm going to create an H1. Show it. Sweet. So this is my about page, and this is my home page, and the last one is okay. So now we have created 3 different pages and having 3 different titles. But if I want to go to different pages, I have to there's a different. Usually, if I tap it like my product page, it's not gonna show me anything. It's still gonna show me my home page as a default. So what's the way we can get through that is that we can create a route from here to there. So how it works, so I already created a browse router, which is from the React router DOM. I'll show you again how it does. So if I go here, if I tap here browse router, just close it, and I'm gonna move my app in the browse router. Let me save it. Sweet. So now our app is in a browse router, and now if I go back to app, let me take off the header, and if I go into routes, sorry, sweet routes, and in our routes we're gonna put route. So in route we can put it path. What's the path we're gonna take it? So it's gonna be home. So we're gonna type element. It used to call components before, but now they have moved it to element. So in element you just have to press it in element tag. I press it home slash. Sweet, that's our home. So we haven't defined home. Fair enough. Let me import the home page from the pages from home, and home pages is here. Sweet. So that's our home. Sorry for that. Sweet. Our home page is here. Sweet. So let me show you what's happening here. Our home page is here. Why is it not doing it? Because it's in the product page. Go back. Sweet. So now our home page, which is usually the slash, so it's like localhost slash. So this is like here 3000. Even if I put here as a slash, let me show you. If I push it slash, it's still gonna make me to the main page, which is the home page by default. So from here, let me import the other one. Page. So let me install my other routes as well. And if I click it here as a So now here I have created different routes for different pages. So if example now I press about, it's gonna take me to the about page as it's about page now, and same for the product. Lovely, sweet. So our routes are working, so now we can go and navigate through different pages, but there is no way, like we need to create a button here. So how it works in a router DOM, we do create a component, or we do have an inbuilt component from the React router DOM, which is called nav link. So here I can press it here, and if I press nav link, I close it, and if I press button, and if I press let me go back to product. That's my product page. So if I press 2, it should give me a link. It's a string array. So now I press here product. Sweet. So now it should take me back to the home page. Let me go back to the home page. Sweet. So in our home page now we have a product. Let me also create it for the about. Let me just change the name here to about. Just making it short, so this name does have to match our link name, which is here, so the path name. So it does have to match similar. So if you want to go to the about page, it has to be this link. So in our home page, if I want to go to the about, it have to match the same name. So if I press about here, click here, enter, sweet. So lovely. So now we do have two buttons. So if I click here on product, it will take me to the product page. If I click on about, it will take me to the about page. Same there. If I want to put this in the, let me make this big a little bit. I don't need that anymore. And yep, sweet. Let me just copy it. And if in my about page, if I want to do the same, so if I want to go back to home page, I don't have to need it, because again it does match the link. As a default, it's the home page. And now we can create it home here. Sweet. Because the nav link is not there. Sweet. So nav link is there now. Sweet. If I click on now to my about page, so here's like my home button, sorry. So if I click on home again, it will take me back to the home page. Sweet. So that's how you can create a link between different pages by using React Router DOM, and you can make a different page application or multi-page application, as which most websites are. Hope you have learned something. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe.